Hey guys, so welcome back to Decorating with Barbara. And if you are here for the first time, welcome. So today I'm sharing my living room tour for the fall season. So before we get started, I wanted to go over a few details about the space, and then I wanted to answer a few questions that I seem to get asked when I do this room tour. So let's go ahead and get started. One of the most asked questions about the space is the paint color. And the paint color is Revere Pewter by Benjamin Moore. So it has a nice warm undertone, and it sometimes comes off like a taupey gray. So if you're not into the warm grays, this is probably not a color for you. But I will say that when it comes to gray, the warmer grays are what you're starting to see more of. And I think that the wall color helps to brighten and soften this brown leather chair. And so that's the next thing that I'm going to talk about, and that's the brown leather chair. So every now and again I get the comment that this brown leather chair does not work with my existing decor. And so what I have to say about that is that this is not a show home. This is our home that we live in, and we do like to be comfortable here. And this is a comfortable chair that he likes, and so I, as a decorator, find a way to make it fit in with the things that I like. So this is our formal living room, but this is not our only living space. We have several other spaces that we go to in our home where we can really relax if that's what we choose to do. So as you can see, my color palette is neutral, and for this fall season I chose to bring in some warm golds as well as some soft pinks. So you guys might recognize this pillow here. I had it for a few years now, but every other YouTuber had this pillow as well, and it is just as beautiful today as it was when I bought it 2 years ago. And I really love this pillow because it does have all the colors that I am using in the space. So you guys may have remembered that I hauled this pillow earlier this season, and I thought that I was not going to use it until Christmas, but I really do like the way that it fits right in with what I'm doing. And I also hauled these books from Tuesday morning on that same shopping trip. Now you guys also may recognize these lamps that I had originally picked up for the dining room. But after I decided not to use them in the dining room, I thought they would be perfect in here, bringing in that warm gold that I was looking for this year's decorating. And speaking of gold, I added a vignette here on my coffee table mixed of golds and silvers and coppers. And I just think it looks very pretty and elegant. Now, I always say that my decor style is somewhat rustic glam, so I'm not sure if that's even still a thing, but that's just the way I like to design my home, and that is to add the shiny with the textured. I don't like all shiny, and I don't like all texture. I think every good design needs a little bit of both. Now, you don't have to go over the top shiny, nor do you have to go over the top flat and dull. So I do believe that if you don't add a little bit of texture to your shiny surfaces or a little bit of shine to your textured surfaces, it will fall flat. So I think my bookcase is a good representation of what I mean by shine and texture. Okay, so as you can see on the bottom shelf, I have the gold candlesticks, but they do have a little texture to them. And then I have the books, which have texture added to the books. And then I have a shiny pumpkin on the other side. The next shelf has texture in the frame, and then it has a little shine in both vases. And then the top shelf has a little shine, and then that tray is very textured in a wood tone with my blingy pumpkins. Now, I certainly could have added more texture to the shelves if I wanted to, but I had all of these beautiful pumpkins from previous years and I wanted to go ahead and use them this year. And so the living room is definitely a room that is more glam than the rest of the house. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys take a closer look at some of the vignettes around the room. And if this room is too blingy for you, not to worry, I have several more videos coming up that you will like. I have my guest bedroom, my kitchen and hearth, my master bedroom, and then the dining room I will share during the home tour. So as always, if you have questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Bye-bye. And so this look is more casual and more of an everyday look. So with this look, I decided to simplify things a little bit and take out the mauve.